Today we are preparing Greek chicken souvlaki. It's a very nice Greek appetizer, juicy, tender, tasty, and yet can be prepared very easily in home. And the good part in this dish is that once you prepare this, you can use them in sandwiches, wraps, or can just enjoy it with, as I have served with tzatziki sauce. Its flavor is very mild, which is the best part. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for such more yummy and interesting recipes. So let's start making this yummy Greek dish. For that I have taken chicken breast around 500 grams. I have cut it into cubes of 1 inch. And I have just made it dry by using some kitchen towel. So if we cut the pieces in this size, it would look quite uniform and would be easily grilled. So I have taken the pieces and cut it into this size. Now we need to add some spices to chicken at this stage. First I'll add salt. According to our taste, I have added around 1 teaspoon and a bit more. Lemon juice of half a lemon, so just squeeze the juice and add it to the chicken at this stage. 3 garlic cloves, I have grated it. Black pepper or white pepper around 1 teaspoon, either one. Dried oregano I have used here, 1 tablespoon, and obviously olive oil, I have used 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And we need to mix all the ingredients so that the chicken pieces coat all the spices very well. So as you can see, I have used very minimal spices. Now I have mixed it and let it cover and let it rest for around 2 hours. So after 2 hours, I have used this wooden skewers. I had soaked them in water for around 1 hour and now I'll use it. So I'll just add around 4 to 5 pieces of chicken in one skewer, and each skewer I'll just put it in my cast iron pan. This is my favorite cast iron pan, awesome for grilling purpose. I have heated it in medium flame and added around 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and to it I'll add my skewers, chicken skewers, and as you can see, these are perfectly fitting to my pan. And if it doesn't fit to your pan, just break the sides of the skewer so that it fits to your pan. So my chicken are nicely roasting here. As you can see, just flip it over occasionally and make sure you don't increase the temperature of the pan. Make it just keep it medium high so that the chicken won't lose their moisture and can be roasted very well. One batch of chicken would take around 8 to 10 minutes. Just flip it occasionally. If you want, you can add some olive oil in between, but mine was perfect. So, and the best thing to grill in a cast iron pan is that the heat distributes uniformly, so the chicken pieces get a very nice color and are also cooked to perfection and uniformly. So my chicken skewers are done here. My Greek chicken souvlaki is almost done. Now I'll take out the chicken. Just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes before serving so that the juices accumulate in the chicken and they leave the chicken moist. I have taken out the skewers here. It's so hot and I can just smell the chicken. It's so heavenly. I have served it with some lemon wedges, classic Greek flavor, and some tzatziki sauce. So I hope you will try this recipe. As I said, very sublime, very natural in taste, and the best part is that nothing overpowers, no flavors are mismatched, and this is very good for wraps, sandwiches. Once you make it, you will enjoy it. So I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, share with your family and friends, and thank you for bearing in with my voice this time. See you next time. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.